Okay, for this challenge we're going to go to a new area. If you just click on there and the new, and it's a bit hard to see, but we're going to go to the cleanup challenge, which is here, and I've already done that, so just replace, wait for it, and here it is. So just go in. Now if I move tank and just set it on and press play, nothing happens. Why is that? I'll just check to see if project, program, all good, but oh, now it's going and it just falls off. Okay, we don't really want that, do we? So we just stop that, and what we're going to do is we need to check for the edge, and the way to do that is using, whoops, I'll just go back there, truck across using that arrow, and then alternate spin around. Okay, that's better, and truck across, and there we go, and zoom in. Okay, that took a while, but anyway, so these two are light sensors, and this is dark and this is light. So what we're going to do is when the robot gets to here, it's going to notice that the light is higher, coming back off those. It's called reflected light intensity. If we go over here and we choose our educator vehicle, very important, and come over here, we have selected input, and currently the input is 0. Now if we make the thing fall off the cliff, nothing happened like that. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put an infinite loop, which means it keeps going until something happens, and then that should be right. There it goes. And having a look down here, all of a sudden it went to 60. Let's try that again. And we reset. Oh, there it is. It's reset. Just watch that. While it's going across there, it's going to go very high. There it is. It went to 1, which is full. Okay. And so what we're going to do is, for the moment, we're just going to make it stop as soon as it sees that. So if we go to unlimited, and sorry, this is the when it should exit, and if we go to the color sensor, reflected light intensity, and there's 2 of them, there's 1 in 3 and there's 1 in 1, so we're using the 1 in 3 and we want greater than, not less than, and we choose a number, and then at the end of it we go over here and choose stop tank. So what we do is we set the power to 0, and that should stop it. Let's try it. Okay, something went wrong. Oh, it was still less than. We need greater than. There we go. Let's try that now. Okay, it wants to speak to me. Oh, okay, it's still doing that program, so we need to stop it. And there it stops. Okay, and then what we can do, instead of stopping, we can turn around and do other things like that. We could also use a switch block by putting a switch block in here, which is this one, and we choose light intensity, which is there, color sensor, compare reflected light intensity, and then if it is greater than a certain number, then it will go here. If it isn't, it goes here, and then you can possibly turn it around and then send it off again into another loop and keep going. So that's all for this one. Good luck.